Hey, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be touring the Camden model in Harvest Green East. This community is located in Fairhope on 181, just north of 104. The homes here range from in the 1,900 square foot to almost 2,800 square feet. The Camden model is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath with a 3-car garage. Now, if this is your first time to our channel and you would like to know more about living in coastal Alabama, then be sure to subscribe, tap that bell so you'll be notified each time Kayla and I release a new video. My name is Rita Sessions. Along with my partner Kayla Robinson, we're realtors with Exit Navigator Realty, making your coastal living dreams a reality. Now, we get calls from people just like you each day. So whether you're moving in 6 months or 1 year, reach out to us and let us help you make your move to coastal Alabama a smooth one. You'll find our contact information in the description box below. Hey, welcome to the Camden floor plan. We're in Harvest Green East today, and we're going to take a look at this beautiful dressed up model. As we come in the front door, you'll see that there's a bedroom immediately to your left. It is adjoined with a shared bath to the bedroom next to it. And as you come out of this bedroom, you'll be back in the front entry hallway. This home does have 9-foot ceilings, crown molding in the living areas. Now we're going to go across to where you'll find a half bath, entrance out to a 3-car garage, and a very spacious laundry room. And now for the surprise bonus to this house. You have a extra ensuite with a entertainment room, a living room that makes a great movie room. Be perfect for entertaining at the football games or having movie night with the kids. This standard with the cabinet and the sink and the mini fridge, which has a connecting ensuite, nice size bedroom, full bath, and a spacious walk-in closet. Now this home has quartz countertops. Granite does come standard in all of the bathrooms, the kitchen, and in the bonus room. Now let's go out to the main living area. You have a dining room that's open to the main living room. You'll notice the tray ceilings in these 2 rooms. And then it's opened up to this great kitchen. In this model, you have built-in microwave and oven in the wall. They do come with stainless steel appliances. You have a corner pantry. You've got subway tile backsplash. There is some upgrades you can do with the backsplash. And then you've got a spacious breakfast nook. And this would make a great office space or a play area, or just a morning sitting area if you didn't need it for a breakfast nook, because you've got plenty of space at the kitchen bar for additional seating. Now let's take a look at the primary bedroom. This bedroom is very large. As you can see, it has a king-size bed, the tray ceilings with the crown molding in here. They've actually done an accent paint wall. This gives you some idea of what you can do with these homes. You know, the new construction homes come as a clean slate, and it lets you add your personality by doing accent walls, maybe upgrading a couple light fixtures. Now this primary bath has your soaking tub, a double shower, your water closet, linen closet, and a walk-in closet, and double vanity. Now let's take a look at the covered back patio. This one's actually raised a little bit in the backyard, so you've got a handrail. That's only because it's the elevation of the house. If it's on a flat lot, you will not have the handrail. All of these homes actually come with TV connections outside, so you can mount TV up here.
I really hope that you've enjoyed our video today. Each and every week we're going to be posting videos just like this one. So make sure that you subscribe, tap that bell for notifications so you'll know the next time that Rita and I drop a new video. As local real estate experts specializing in Baldwin County properties, we can absolutely help you find that perfect home or investment property that's going to fit your lifestyle and budget. So make sure that you reach out to us so we can help you make your coastal living dreams a reality.